Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites, firmware 2, X, an active Azure subscription, and an admin token. Once done, power the Kunigami Azure Latch and plug Ethernet to your network so the device receives an IP. Next, log into the web console using that IP and enable SSH and HTTPS. This gives you secure access for the next steps. Make sure to record the admin token and device ID now, because you will need them to register the latch in Azure immediately. You now register the latch into Azure EOT Hub using the admin token and device ID. This creates a secure identity. Once registered, install the Azure Connector module on the latch and configure the MQTT endpoint, client ID, and SAS credentials so messages flow reliably. After connectivity is established, configure RBAC roles for the latch, enable key rotation, and pin the device certificate to prevent man-in-the-middle attacks. This sequence ensures authenticated telemetry and command channels with minimal latency and maximal security. You complete setup by deploying access rules and automation flows in Azure, then test open and close commands to confirm end-to-end control. Verify telemetry such as heartbeat, battery level, latch state, and timestamps so alerts trigger correctly. Log these to a storage account for audit. If something goes wrong, first check device logs and network connectivity, then validate certificates and SAS tokens. If issues persist, reboot the latch and, as a last resort, remove and re-register the device to refresh credentials.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.